Welcome. Let's see what is OmegaT, how to download and install it, as well as a very important useful info in this video. So stay tuned till the end. OmegaT is a free and open source software, and that is a great free cat tool available for translators and team of translators. It is Java based. It works in Windows, Linux, Mac and Sun Solaris. Coming to the features of OmegaT, it supports 30 plus file format. It also has a glossary feature. It supports paid empty, and if you know scripting, you can customize it to your needs. Not only that, it also has QA features that allows you to do the quality assessment of your translations. Let's see how to download and install the OmegaT software for Windows. Go to Google, just type OmegaT download. You will get the official site as the first result. Click the link. You can also donate if you want to the developers. So you can see that Windows with JRE and Windows with 64-bit JRE options available. So I would recommend these two options. The options with JRE is better. There is also source code available in the developer version. So if you know to compile the software, you can download the source code, change the code and compile it and customize it. Okay, now we are going to download Windows with JRE and click the download button. Once you click that, it will take you to sourceforge.net website. After the countdown goes down, the download will start. You can see that at the corner of the browser. You can see that the download has started already. So now the download is completed and you can see that OmegaT file is there. Let's start to install the OmegaT software. So double click and run as administrator. Okay, and a very important point to note is that always try to install in C drive. Accept the terms and condition. Try to install in C drive instead of program files and all to avoid any issues. So now you can see that OmegaT is installed. Coming to the useful features of OmegaT, it handles SDLXLib file by native, and if you add Okapi plugin, that can be downloaded from the okapiframework.org website. I have given the links in the description. You will be able to handle InDesign, WordFast Pro format, that is TXML, OpenXML, tag editor and many other file formats. Useful to you. Please support us by liking and commenting and subscribing to my channel.